BHA, BHA, BHA.
One of its kind PHA have ever ventured into. We will have the presentation done by Dr. Madhu Chantok, Director, Brand Development and Product Enhancement, PIP 2020. Ms. Madhu, request.
I'll call.
Yeah. May I request our guest, Mr. Balaji, Group CEO, Ms. Nishila Guliani, Vice President, Clark Exotica, and Mr. Varun Sharma, General Manager, Clark Exotica, to please come on to the stage for launching the white paper.
And you have to call all our team members. Na? Call them. Dr. Dhara.
May- May I also call Dr. Dharun Shukla, Ms. Sandhya Anil Kumar, Dr. Nishi Priya, and Dr. Rachna Chandan, who is the team members also on stage.
Mind your feet here. Mind your feet. Just keep this
May I request the working committee members also to please come on the stage? It is indeed a proud moment for PHA, and thank you very much, Dr. Madhu and team, for this effort. We have to. Big round of applause to the team. And may I request Ms. Suchitra Naidu to felicitate this team?
Ma'am, just went for the interview.
May I request?
Yeah.
Felicitation will be done after the presentation by Dr. Madhu.
So, good afternoon. I don't think so if it's afternoon as yet. So, good morning again to everyone. So, good morning, everyone. And we are very proud to be here on this platform. And PHA has given us this opportunity to delve into something which is the topic of our convention this year. And just 3 months back, we thought, why don't we even get the industry response to the subject? And it's a very small time, and the time span was not big. So first of all, I would like to give a round of applause to each and every one of you who's contributed to give your opinion on the same. And we have made this possible. So over the last 3 months with the team, and the team is here, we have Dr. Rachna, we have Dr. Dharna, myself, and we have Sandhya as well. So all of us within our roles have put together this whole sort of research finding, which is, we won't call it as a full-fledged white paper because there's a lot of work to be done. And during our presentation, we will talk a little bit more. So if we can have the presentation on the screen, and we can also have, say, a slide changer with us, then we can start. So while they do that, I'll just give you a little bit of an introduction. Now, why we need to embrace technology? If anybody in this room can answer, why do you think AI and technology is becoming very important for all of us? Does anybody has an opinion in this room? Yes, please. Yeah. So, yes, and we were wanting to actually get a voice from all segments where housekeeping as a service belongs to. And I was again go back and say, and second, that housekeepers are not just housekeepers, they are asset managers, they are design managers, they are actually doing a job. And if we can imagine any space without housekeepers. We were here last evening and the function went around till almost midnight, post-midnight. 2 o'clock, the setup of this hall started. So between the banqueting team and the housekeeping to turn around a space within that stipulated time so that we could start on time, I think we have to all give them a big round of applause for the whole team of the place, and they made this possible for us. So I would say that technology is something that we cannot shy away from. It is important. It was actually, I would say, embraced as an enabler. But more and more, in especially our hospitality field, we are trying to becoming more dependent on it. So the human factor is here to stay. Coming from a design and architectural background, as I say, we might have prefabricated buildings, but brick and mortar is there to stay. So similarly, we have to have that human factor. But we were not sure, what does the industry think? What does hospitals think about it? What does facility planners think about it? What does the aviation team think about it? What does the hotel team think about it? So we put together this whole presentation. If we can have on the screen our presentation, then we can ask Dr. Rachna to take forward. I'll just go through the introduction part and into the basic objectives that we had while we put this all together. Can we have the presentation? Yeah. Slide change it is, yeah. Okay, so the topic is housekeeping AI technology enabled. And as an introduction, if you see, we have so many things that came into our minds. Is it bringing service enhancement? Is it machine learning that we need to embrace? Is it tech quality? Is it the capabilities that we need to look at? Or the automation of cleaning, which was even mentioned earlier as well as an evolution into the whole space of housekeeping as such. Our main objective was to identify the impact of AI on the housekeeping process. The second was to establish the impact of AI on housekeepers' preferences as well. Because we didn't just go to the managerial level, we even involved the supervisory level team who were actually on ground. And I think here I want to just share one thing which I totally believe. Today we are an inverted triangle. The top management is sitting on the fulcrum and the entire team is on top and they have to be empowered. So that's something that we also looked at that time. Then to examine the impact of AI implementations to bring in efficiencies. Then to identify the challenges of AI implementation in the industry as a whole. So we didn't just look at hotels as such, we looked at the other allied industries as well and the departments as well.
First of all, it is very much important to establish the stability of the measurement methods used for this research work and to put forward the validity of the data collected. And for that purpose, we had done the reliability statistic test. Accordingly, the Cronbach alpha value that is proving that is ensuring that the result which is being identified is consistent and trustworthy, and against the KMO and Bartlett test, it is being identified and suggested that whatsoever data we have collected, it has the substantial correlation and it will provide the 100% validity for the further research work. Overall, we had received 472 respondents from different sectors of the housekeeping industry, which include 47.88% respondent from the facility management sector. From the hotel fraternity, we had received 37.29% responders. From hospital sectors, we had received 10.17% responder, and from the aviation sector, it is approximately 5% respondents. Overall, the 74.79% housekeeper, they agreed that they had the relative knowledge about the AI in overall, but when we asked about their personal experience, only 51.27% agreed that they had personally experienced AI within the housekeeping industry. Moving ahead, in order to establish the impact of AI on different housekeeping processes which we are using in the housekeeping industry, researchers has identified different overall housekeeping services, ethical implications, safety and security measures used for the staff and customers, AI operated service providers, as well as operational efficiencies as certain housekeeping processes which are being impacted by the AI, and in between these different processes, responders had identified operational efficiency and different housekeeping services as the most impacting services because of the AI implementation. When we done this analysis on the sector basis, at that particular moment, hotel industry, they had identified operational efficiency as one of the most impacting housekeeping process by the AI. Whereas aviation sector, they had identified different housekeeping services provided by the aviations to their customer as the impacting process in their industry. Whereas hospital and facility management sector, they had identified AI provide services providers as they will provide the contracts and different vendors. That is the most impacting process in their sector. In continuation with that, when we ask the responders about their preference in using AI for further assistance, only 32.84% responded. They agreed to avail the services which is assisting by the AI. As Ms. Smita highlighted that it is the requirement of today's life, today's work experience, that AI is very much required in each and every process, but also we require the human touch. So more than 40% respondent, they agreed that they will avail the AI assisted services, but with the human touch only. Almost 35% responders or the housekeepers, they proclaimed their neutral opinion towards their recommendation for AI for further effective operations. When we talk about the operational efficiency, around 61% responders, they approved that AI will definitely improve the efficiency of the housekeeping industry, and they have identified data analysis as one of the most impacting strategies within the housekeeping processes. Among different processes, they had identified quality assurance and audit, and followed by the digitalized housekeeping checklist as the most impacting AI operational services. And overall, most of the housekeepers, they have identified or highlighted smart robotic housekeeping services as the most signified technology in the upcoming time. Now I request Dr. Dharna to continue for the further presentation.
Thank you, Dr. Rachna. Moving on to our objective 4, which are the challenges of implementation. So we'll be seeing the challenges on actually 3 different criteria, which is on the workforce, guest room services, and the operational efficiencies. So the most significant challenge that was identified was the lack of human touch. So, AI kind of, as Ms. Smita also said in her addressed to all of us. It cannot replace the human touch at all. Most of the housekeepers that responded to the survey agreed that it was important. It was definitely something which was coming on, and as we're going to see in the slides which are coming on, that in the next 5 years it will be definitely taking over as well in a major way. But human touch, nevertheless, cannot be replaced. High implementation cost was the next factor, which was a challenge, and definitely in all sectors, the respondents who replied to our survey, which included from retail, hospitality, hospitals, as well as airports, they all agreed that there was a high implementation cost involved. There were technical limitations, so availability of spare parts, etc., was definitely a major concern. Resistance to change from employees, that's something that gradually has to come in, if it has to come in, because people have to be sufficiently trained to adopt these technologies which are coming in. And other factors, these other factors is something that we have left as a white paper exploration for our next set of findings next year. So challenges for the implementations in a bar graph form. So we can see that lack of human touch is something which touched about 60% of the respondents saying that there was lack of human touch, and 46.19 said high implementation cost was a major factor, and so on and so forth. So sector-wise, what the respondents thought. So again, I would like to remind the respondents included respondents from the 4 sectors and all above supervisory level, as well as we got responses from 472 supervisory staff and above from the 4 sectors. So as we can see, aviation, in the aviation sector, if I would say, they felt that technical limitation was the major factor in their sector. In facility management, if we were to look at, the major factor was the lack of human touch. And hospitals, if we would look at, high implementation costs is something that they felt was a major hindrance. And hotels, if we were to see, lack of human touch again is the major hindrance. So impact on the workforce, well, AI versus HR. AI, definitely our respondents felt that or agreed to the fact that AI doesn't have superior abilities over human touch. So almost about 58.9 people amongst the 472 agreed to that. And almost 64%, so 63.9 to be precise, believe that implementation of AI definitely cannot replace the human resources. Moving on to impact on guest services. So maximum respondents do not agree to the trust on AI-powered guest services, which is almost 40%. So they say that definitely guest services, they cannot trust AI to kind of, get totally into guest services at the moment. And 32% almost are not willing to pay extra for that AI-powered services as well. Okay. Impact on operational efficiency. So maximum of our respondents agreed to the fact that AI will optimize the inventory management. That was a major factor actually amongst all the factors that we put in front of our respondents. So they say that inventory management is something that is going to become easier through implementation of AI. Also, they feel that they agree that data or SOPs fed through AI will not be flexible to be altered. So whatever is fed in through AI and that is implemented in the sectors cannot be altered, because at the end of the day it's AI. So it is something that you are programming and it cannot be altered. So that percentage almost stood at about 38%. So acceptance ratio, maximum of the 472 surveyed say that within the next 5 years, AI is going to take over housekeeping in a major way in all the 4 sectors that we surveyed. So for this part, I would like to invite Ms. Sandhya, and she would take us through the 4 sectors. What were the interviews which were taken with the people of the 4 sectors specifically? Ms. Sandhya will take us through.
Thank you, Dr. Dharna. Now, most of what we have from here on is what all the researchers spoke about, but yet we would like to give you a summary of the entire thing again. So here, what you're seeing is 3 blocks of information. The first, the one at the right extreme talks about the impact that AI could have on these sectors. And then it talks about the future scope of AI, and also the challenges that we're going to face. Now, all the researchers spoke about this, so let me just give a quick run through this. So, the impact that AI is going to have is mostly going to be on, in the area of housekeeping services. It says 42% of our respondents are saying so. And they also agree that there's going to be a big impact of AI on the housekeeping operations as well. Now, looking at data analysis, that is another big area. So we know we're talking about computation, we're talking about big data, we're talking about feeding in as much information as we can. I think that would be one difficult part of probably as a challenge that we could take up a little later. But in data analysis, the areas that are going to be impacted are quality assurance and audit and digital housekeeping checklist. Now, what we want to tell you all is that, when you say impact, we're kind of looking at the positive side of it. But in the future research, we're of course going to consider or going to look at what the challenges are also going to be big time. Now, if you look at the future scope, ma'am already said, you saw the graphs going really, further to the right when it came to 5 years from now, that we're going to see smart robotics and we're going to see AI being completely, AI completely taking over our industry probably, in 5 years. But what I want to really say is that, one of our limitations has been that we have restricted ourselves to experts and professionals from India alone. So the study has been national. But what we want to do, as ma'am said, this is no end to the research. Okay, this is going to happen in the next couple of months. We're going to again work on this, and we will try and get in experts from various sectors across the globe and see what is happening around as well. Okay, around the globe as well. Yeah. So yeah. Now. So what we also want to do that we've probably missed out on is restricted the sectors that we have really ventured into, and we would like to consider multiple other sectors to see wherever there is cleaning, wherever there is housekeeping, the kind of impact and kind of challenges and all about what the future is going to be is what we're going to consider in the coming couple of months. Now, research was conducted with response from housekeepers most often in this situation that we are in, but we promise that we're going to conduct future research where the emphasis is also going to be on service providers and IT experts. And we also want to look at a larger sample size, though I think 500 is not a bad number. We were really shocked to see 500 responses. And thanks to the entire fraternity, I'm sure a couple of you have been sitting here, have also answered to our questionnaires, helped us gather data. And we really want to take this forward. And thanks to Madhu ma'am and all the fellow researchers here, they all have done wonderful jobs. My contribution has been a little smaller than what they all have done. So thanks to Madhu ma'am for the initiative. And like we said, this is the first time ever that we're trying to get into the area of research and housekeeping, and first time that we are, making a presentation of this kind. I guess a very intellectual one. So we promise this is going far, and we'll try and collaborate with students. I think they are the budding researchers. So we'll try and take this forward. We promise you that there'll be good thing that we're doing. Thank you. Is there anything, Madhu, ma'am?
No, I think we've summed up quite well, and it is only sort of a journey that we've started and set a roadmap for ourselves. And this is an ongoing and a never-ending, because AI as well as technology is changing by the hour. So we need to be we are just trying to catch up pace with history and trying to set a roadmap for future. So thank you very much for your patient listening, and look forward to interacting with you again for the next phase of the research. Thank you.
This team has really worked hard under the leadership of Dr. Madhu, and it is really one more feather on the cap of PHA, and a very, very informative presentation. Thank you, team. Thank you very much. And I request Ms. Suchitra Naidu to please come over the stage and felicitate this wonderful team.
BHA! BHA! BHA!
Dr.
BHA!
Madhu Chandok. Dr. Nishi Priya.
BHA! 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 BHA!
I think this team requires a bigger round of applause because it's a real hard work they have done.
BHA!
Thank you all. Thank you.
BHA! 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 BHA!